Yes, now we'll start the fractions chapter. In these fractions, we have to see how to add and how to subtract. These are the things we have to see right now. Now, first of all, what is a fraction actually? The fraction is nothing but it's a very simple. The number which is in the form of p by q. The number which is in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0. Those comes under fraction. Example of a fraction, the 2 by 3 is a fraction p by q. 3 is not equal to 0. 3 by 2 also one fraction it is there. 3 1 by 2 it is also one fraction it is there. There are three different types. Example I was given. Then you know that actually what are the types of fractions also there. The types of fraction is first one, denominator is more than the numerator. This is called as a proper fraction. A proper fraction. Example, this is the numerator is more than the denominator. It is a proper fraction. Second case, reverse. The numerator is more than the denominator. This call it as improper fraction. Improper fraction. Example, this is a 3 by 2 is numerator more than the denominator. Next, third one is mixed fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is like this: 3 1 by 2, 3 and half, 4 and half. This comes under a mixed fraction. So there are three different types of fractions we know: proper, improper, mixed fraction.
Improper mixed
Proper.
fraction.
Next, we can convert a mixed fraction into improper or proper fraction. We can make it convert
Improper
into that.
fraction.
We can make it out. How we can make it out? Example, I am taking 3 1 by 2 is there. This is there. How to convert this into? It's very simple. First, you need to multiply this two. 3 into 2 plus this is you can add 1 by get 2, right? So 3 2 are 6 plus 1, it is 7 by 2. This is example 1. Next, let us take 5 7 by 3 example. What you can do, this 2 you multiply first. 5 into 3 plus addition you can 7 by 3. This is 15 plus 7 by 3. This is becomes a 22 by 3. Okay, this is the way you can convert the mixed fraction into a regular proper or improper fraction. You can convert over to it. Okay, this is very clear. Next, today our main agenda is how to add, addition and subtraction of fractions here. How to do these two things. So number one, I'll take an example. First one, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 2. I'll take two numbers. How to add these two numbers. So thing is very clear when you're doing these fractions. First of all, take LCM of your denominator. First you take LCM of your denominator. 3 comma 2. First 3 table, nothing you went off, then 2 table. What is the LCM? 3 2 ja 6 is LCM. After taking this, please make a one big line. Right denominator is LCM. After take how many numbers are there? Two fractions. Please, please to make two circles. Between what is the symbol here? What is the symbol here? Plus. That plus symbol you can keep here. After this, what you has to do is here. In the first here, first box, what you has to go to fill is first you take a first term 2 by 3. First term is 2 by 3. Should multiply with your LCM. Should multiply with LCM. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 twos are answer is 4. Similarly, the second box you fill with what is the value of second one? 4 by 2. You multiply with your LCM. 2 ones are 2 3 are 4 3 is 12. Now you add both 12 plus 4, 16, 16 by 6. So 8, 2 8 ja, 2 3 ja. Answer is 8 by 3. Okay. This is a way we can add the two numbers. Clear or any doubt? Okay.
No, clear.
Okay. Next we are going to that next thing. Second one. Uh, this is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8. This is two numbers. You're going to add this number. Simple. So how to add? I told you first procedure is take LCM of your denominators. Take 4 and 8. Take LCM here. First two numbers. 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja. Next 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Next 2 1 ja. Like this. What is the LCM here? 2 into 2 into 2. What is the LCM?
8.
LCM is 8. First you
8.
take a line, make your LCM number is 8. And how many here? Two boxes, right? Two fractions means two boxes. Middle, what is there? Plus means you can keep plus. Next, first box, you has to fill with your first number. What is the first number? 2 by 4 into 8
by 4
into 8.
into
So 8
8.
LCM. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. 2
4
2 ja, how
1 ja,
much?
4 2 ja.
2 2 ja, 4.
4.
Yeah. Next number is 3 by 8 into 8. 8 1 ja, 8 1 ja, cancel. Answer is 3 1 ja, 3 only. Clear?
I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
No, I have a one doubt.
3 by 8
There
plus
is
8.
2 into 2 is 1 ja, 2 1 ja, no.
2 into 2, 1 into 1. What is this? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 1, 8, 8 into 1, 8.
No, no, no. Here.
Here,
2 into 2 by 4 into 8.
8 by 1.
No.
2 2
4
ja, how
1 ja,
much?
4 2 ja. Next,
2 2 ja, 4.
numerator is there.
2 2 ja, 4.
Numerator 2 no.
2 2 ja,
Just
4.
1 ja, no.
2 2 ja, 4. 1 1 ja, 1.
లేదు వస్తున్నాయి కదా అది రెండు కట్ చేయరు
2 by 4, 8 by 1. Once I'm trying to say here, this is 2 by 4, right? I'll write here very clearly. 2 by 4.
అది కాదు
This one.
no 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 there is 2 by 4 into 2 4 1s are 4 2s are no there's
Yeah,
2
4.
and numerator is 2 no
Yeah, 2 into 2, how much?
and the answer is 2
2 into
1s are we have to cancel it no
2 1 ja, 2. 2 only. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, how much? 4 only, no? Once again I'm telling 2 by 4 is there.
but
2 by,
I'm
yeah, once again I'm writing 2 by 4 into 8 by 1. So 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, you're telling. Am I clear?
yeah
So
we have to cancel it 2 1s are 2 1s are we have to cancel no
you don't cancel numerator. You has to cancel numerator with denominator. You don't cancel like this.
okay.
Numerator you multiply, denominator you multiply, numerator you cancel, numerator you cancel. Okay. 2 2 ja 4. So 4 by 1.
Okay.
So 4 plus 3, 7 by 8. Okay. The thing is clear.
Okay.
Once again I'm telling, if it is 2 by 4 is there, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Answer is 1 by 2.
Here.
If it is 8 by 4 into 2 by 2 is there, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja, 1 into 2. Something else I'll tell you. I'll take one more. This is your doubt actually. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Then don't cancel 2 1 ja 2 because both are numerator, both are denominator. You should not cancel. You should multiply. You should cancel only numerator and denominator.
Okay.
Now you understood, right?
Okay.
This is on 7 by 7. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we'll take a next question for your content. I'll take subtraction cases. So let us take, I'll take 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5 I'll take. So what is the procedure? Procedure is same. 5, 2, 5 you take LCM. 2 and 5. 2 1 ja, 5 1 ja. Answer is 2 into 5. LCM is 10. Now take LCM is 10. Take two boxes. Between what is there minus, you keep minus only. Okay, clear? Then first box will fill
Okay, clear.
1 by 2. You multiply with your LCM. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Next 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 1, 2.
2
Answer
5.
is, yeah, answer is how much? Sorry, 2 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. Answer is 5 only here. Next here, 3 by 5 into your LCM is 10. So how can you do 5 1s are 5 2s are? So 3 2s are 6, 1 1s are 1. Answer is 6.
Yeah.
Next 5 minus 6 by 10. What is the answer? 5 minus 6. One is plus, other one is minus. You can subtract one from other. 6 minus 5. Answer is 1. Write big number minus 1. Minus 1 by minus 1 by 10.
by 10.
So answer is minus 1 by 10. This is the answer for the question. So here we are, I was explained with subtraction how the fractions. Is this clear? Yeah, now it's very clear. Now previously you are working with only two numbers. Now you are trying to with three numbers. How to do the problem? Just I'm writing a 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus let us take a 5 by 8 I'll take. So here the thing is I took three numbers. So we can do two options are there. First, you can add these two numbers. After getting the answer, you can
May I
subtract.
do this?
After do this, you can subtract this. This is one procedure. After adding this, you can subtract from this. Or else I'll take a one more method. Other method I'll tell you. You take directly three numbers LCM. You can take three numbers LCM directly. How you can take LCM, I will tell you. Wait a minute. Then after you can do a different problem. First you take LCM all three. 2, 4, 8. What is the answer? 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Answer LCM how much? 8. Take a number.
I'm not.
Denominator.
It is not appearing in the screen.
Now we can see here. Now it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Now you take LCM 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are. LCM is 8. So write 8. After this, how many numbers are there here? Three numbers. Three boxes you keep here.
3 numbers.
After you keeping three boxes, for what is here plus, you keep plus here. What is here minus, you keep minus first. After this, you have to work as like a previous one. Take first box. What is the value? 1 by 2 you multiply with 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 ones are 4. 1 by 1.
4.
Answer is 4. Next second one, tell me the answer. 3 by 4 into 8 by 1. 4 ones are 4 twos are.
4 ones are 4 twos are.
So 3 twos are answer
3
is
twos
6.
are 6.
6 by. So
3 twos are
6.
6.
Next one, a 5 by 8 into 8. What is the answer here?
5. 5
8
ones
8
are 5.
cancel. Yeah, 5 ones are 5. Answer is 5. So the next
Ones are
step,
5.
what is the answer? 4 plus 6 minus 5 by 8. So what is the 4 plus 6? 10. 10 minus 5 by
10.
8. 10 minus 5 answer
5 by 8.
5. 5 by
5 by
8.
8 is the
So
answer.
answer is 5 by 8. So like this, we can subtract or we can add, even if it is three numbers or four number, five numbers, follow the procedure first of all. If you understand process, the things are very simple.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give the end of the time. I'll give
Yes.
the homework that you can do, and tomorrow you'll come to the meeting. Okay. Now we are very clear how to
Yeah.
add and how to subtract. Now next,
Yeah.
you'll go
Yeah.
for a multiplication. How to multiply the fractions, multiplication of fractions. So example I'll take how to multiply. A by B is one fraction. You multiply with C by D. The answer is first to multiply numerator A into C, and then B into D. Clear? So here I'll take an example. What is example is 2 by 3 into some, let us take a 5 by 7. First you multiply numerator. 5 twos are 10. 3 sevens are
10.
21. Answer is 10 by 21.
21.
Next,
21.
second method I'll take. Example A by B is there. You multiply with C only. If fraction is not available, denominator you assumption is denominator 1. Nothing is there, denominator you can take it 1. Same thing here, A into C, B into 1. Okay. Same similar
It
example.
is not appearing in here.
Wait a minute, it will come. Next 5. Nothing is there, you can treat it as 1. Now it's okay. Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
A by B into C by 1. Nothing is there, you can take it 1. Okay. Now A into C, AC, B into 1, B1. So
Okay.
it is example to 5 twos are 10, 3 ones are, answer is 3.
10.
The answer is 10 by 3.
10
Okay.
by 3.
So nothing is there, you can take
Okay.
it. Denominator is 1, assumptions. Okay. I'll take an example question so you can easily understand. Now we'll start working with examples. So 1 by 2, 3 by 5. What is the answer here? Multiply
1 by 2
numerator.
and
1 by 2 into 3 by 5. So you can numerator multiply 1 into 3. Denominator multiply. 1 3 is 3, 5
3
2
by
is
10.
10. So 3 by 10. Very good. Now I'll go for a second
Like that.
question here. 3 by 4 into 5 by 2. What is the answer here? This 2 you multiply. 3 5s are
15 by 8.
4 2s
15
are
by 8.
15 by 8. This is very clear. Okay, simple questions.
Yeah.
Now we'll take in
Okay.
other questions which are with signs. So minus 3 by 5.
Okay.
You multiply with minus 4 by 3.
Minus 4 by 5. Minus into minus plus.
First minus into minus. First you multiply with signs. Minus into minus plus. 4 3 are
Yeah.
12.
Plus
Next plus into plus. Nothing is there. Plus into plus plus.
12.
5
5
3 are
5 is
15.
25.
5 3 are 15. So answer is 12 by 15. So 3 4 are 3 5 are. Answer is 4 by 5. Okay. Okay, answer. Simple. 5 3 are 15, right?
Yeah.
You'll get answer. After that, if you want to simplify, you can simplify. Nothing wrong in that. Next, one more question here. Minus 1 by 2 into 3 by minus 4. 3 by minus 4 here. This is a simple analysis. Nothing is there. You can take it plus. Okay. Minus into plus, minus. 1 into 3. 3.
Nine.
Plus into minus, minus. 4 2 is 8. Okay.
Nine.
Next, minus minus cancel.
Okay.
Answer is 3 by 8.
3 by 8. Okay.
Clear? This is a way multiplication
Yeah.
of two numbers. Now we'll try to go multiplication of three numbers. Same procedure.
Yeah.
So 3 by 2 into 3 by what can I say 2 by 5 into 1 by
2
3 you
by
can
4.
take. Like this you can take. Simple problem. So first multiply all numbers. 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 5 into 3. 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. 5 2 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30. Answer 6 by 30. If you want a cancellation, 6 1 ja 6 5 ja. Answer is 1 by 5. Okay.
Okay.
Next second question. Minus 2 by 3 into 4 by minus 5 into minus 1 by 2. This is the question. First, we has to see wherever the signs are not available, treat it as plus. Okay.
Take plus.
Okay. Next, first you multiply minus into plus, minus.
Minus.
Minus into plus, minus. Next, minus into minus, plus. Total is plus. Okay. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Next, 2 4s are 8. 8 1s are 8.
8.
Numerator is finished. Next, denominator plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus,
Minus.
minus. 3 5s are 15.
Minus.
3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30.
15.
So plus minus, if it is a numerator plus, denominator minus, if it is there, you can multiply with minus 1, minus 1. So plus into minus minus, 8 1s are 8. Minus into minus plus, 30 1s are 30. Minus 8 by 30. And whenever it is there minus in the new denominator, you can multiply with minus 1. Automatically the minus will go to top.
Okay.
Is it clear? Can I go to next question?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we'll go to next question. Some little typical. You try to do it is minus 2 by 3 into some minus, sorry, it is 1 by minus 4. Then you multiply
Minus
the
2 by 2 into
minus 2 by 5 should multiply with the minus plus 3 by 1 it is there. So this is having, this is no sign.
1 by 4. A second one.
1 by minus 4. Third one minus 2 by
Okay.
5. Fifth one 3 by 1. 3 by minus 1 you take.
Okay.
So let us how to do it is first you multiply signs. So once again I'll try to write plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into
Minus.
plus, minus only. Okay. Both are same. Both are same. You'll get plus. Both are different. Any one is different. You are going to get minus. Okay. This table is
Minus.
important.
Okay.
So similarly with this table, minus into plus, minus.
Minus.
Then minus into minus,
Minus into minus.
plus.
Plus.
Next plus into plus,
Plus.
plus. This
Plus.
is plus.
Plus.
Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Next plus into
Plus into
minus,
minus.
minus. Minus into
Minus.
plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus.
Minus.
Okay. Both are same. You'll get plus. Remember. Next here, what you has to do? 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 61s are 60.
60.
So
60.
12 by 60. So 12 ones are
12
12
by
5s are
60.
60. So
12
answer is
ones
1
are
by
12 5.
answer is 1 by 5.
5.
Clear? So this is what how to
Clear.
multiply the numbers. It's very clear. Now whatever the numbers you mentioned, you are ready to it is. This table of column is important. Please make it table of column. It is useful to next columns. Okay.
Okay.
So addition, subtraction, multiplication is over. Now we are
Okay.
trying to into the division case. How to divide the fractions? Division. So this is very important. Please be concentrate now. So first case and writing example, please be copy. One fraction is a by b is there. You are dividing the fraction is c by d. A by b, one fraction we are dividing with c by d. So what you has to do is here, copy numerator as it is. Copy numerator as it is into
As it
into denominator write ulta. Denominator you can write ulta d by c.
d by
Denominator
c.
c. Okay. So what you guys to
Okay.
do now? Multiply numerator a into d by b into c
Next we have to multiply.
as usual. Okay. I'll take one sample example for your
Okay.
understanding. Example 2 by 3 is there by 4 by 5. What I told you the procedure,
By 4 by
numerator 5. So you can write numerator as it is 2 by 3.
yeah.
Multiply with
Denominator
denominator
we have to write
ulta reverse 5 by 4. Then what is this? 2 5s are
2 5.
10. 3 4s are
2 5 by 3 5 3
3
into
4s are
4.
4. Okay.
2 5 10. 3 4
3
12.
So 5 2s are
We
5
have to
6. 2 5s are sorry 2 5s are 2 6 are.
6.
Answer is 5 by 6.
Yeah. 5 by 6.
Now it is clear.
Yeah.
Next. Sometimes the questions are different. How the question is look like? One fraction they will mention a by b, other is only c. Like this they mention. So you should think it is nothing is that treat it is one. Nothing is that treat it is one. So it is look like a same model, previous one. So numerator as it is a by b. Denominator write ulta. Here it is what c by 1. You write 1 by c ulta. Okay.
Okay.
So a into 1 a,
Okay.
b into c can do. A into 1 you do. You'll get answer. I'll take one sample example to understand more. 2 by 3 by 5 is there. Question should be like this. Here it is division is here. So treat it is 1.
5 by 1.
So numerator write same as usually 2 by 3. Denominator write ulta. 5 by 1 you can write 1 by 5.
Ulta.
Okay. So 2
2
ones are
into 1. 3
2 5.
2.
So answer
3
is
5
2.
15.
So 3 5 is 15. Answer is 2 by 15. No cancellation possible. You can write end of the answer here only. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Okay.
Next case. Third case. Numerator only one thing. Denominator is like this. Like this also will possible. So you should understand this is a division. So numerator only one term, nothing is there, treat it one. A by 1 you understand. Denominator is there. So as
Okay.
usual, the same numerator you can copy as usual. A by 1. Denominator write ulta. C by D right, this you can write D by C.
Okay.
Okay. So what is there? A into D by
A into D
1 into C.
1 into.
So take an example. 2 by 3 by 4.
Okay.
Okay.
2
So
by
here
3 by
4.
4.
This is the division here.
2 by
So 2 by 1. So it is 2 by 1 as usual copy 2 by 1. Into 3 by 4 is
4
there, right?
into
It
3.
is 4.
4
4
by
by 3. Okay.
4 by 3.
Next 2 4 ja 8. 3 1 ja 3.
8.
Answer is 8
1
by
3
3.
3.
Answer 8 by 3. This is the way you
No
have to
calculation.
divide the numbers. Division of numbers.
Okay.
Okay. So little
Okay.
we'll try on sample questions now. We should be say the answer. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. What is the
But
answer? I'll try once again. I'll clear and
3
I'll
by
write question once again. 2 by 3 by 3 by 2. What is the answer? Try to work and tell me. Second one, 3
okay.
by 4 by 5. What is the answer? Third one, 3 by 4 and by 5. What is the answer here?
Second one what?
3 by 4 by 5.
3 by
4 by 5.
third one.
3
3
by
by
4
4
by 5 by 1.
by 5.
5. Nothing is 5 by 1. You have to understand.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to tell me the first answers.
First answer 4 by 9.
Yeah, 2 by 3 as usual you can write. This is right ulta. 2 by 3. Answer is 4
2
by
by
9.
3
Very good. So
by 9.
2 by, don't write 2 by 3. It is 4, it is 9. No cancellation. 4 by 9.
Yeah.
Don't, this is 2 2
That,
ja 4. This is don't cancel. You can write 2 2 ja or 3 table. Any one table you can cancel. Don't take different table. Next
okay.
it is how much second answer? 3 by 1. This is right ulta. 5 by
By
4.
4.
So 15 by 4.
15 by 4.
Next this is nothing is there 5 by 1. 3 by 4 as usual. This is right ulta. 1 by 5. This is 3 by 20.
3 by 20.
This is the way you can do the problems. Now it's clear.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
we started fractions, fraction addition, how to do the how to subtract on all these things. I was starting. Once you can revise all, then you go for a homework. This is the fractions, proper, improper,
Okay.
mixed fraction. Then after mixed fraction converted into proper fraction, then I told you addition of fractions. Then after subtraction of fractions, I was explained. Then after we are taken a multiples, if it is more than 2 or 3 fractions, addition, subtraction, combination I took to understanding. Then after I was entered multiplication, the numerator, denominator, denominator, how you multiply, how you did off. Then after this multiplication, I
Okay.
was explained two numbers, different plus minus, then three numbers I took. Then after I was given the table, this for this table, you can do anywhere. The multiplication table is there. Then you can take a division of numbers. This is the three models I was taken. First model, A by B, C by D is available. Second model, only A by B is available. Denominator not available, the fractions. The third one, A by 1, C by D. This is the answer. So I was taken the three cases, how you has to do the numbers cases. Clear? Okay. After this, one
Clear.
sample analysis we has to take. Example, let us have a 3 by 2. Example, combining all this, I'll give the try to give the problem. 3 by 2 plus 2 they mention. Example, what is the answer here? So question is simple.
What?
3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? So if it is then nothing they mention, you treat this 2 by 1. Okay. Now 3 by 2 plus 2 by 1, you need to add two numbers. So how you have to do? 2 1 you can take LCM. So LCM is 2.
2 only LCM.
So take 2 like this. Take two boxes. Then take first one. 3 by 2, you multiply 3 LCM. 3 3 cancel. 3 1s are 3. Take second one here. 2
Yeah.
by 1, you with 2. Now you're not supposed to cancel. 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1. So answer is 4. Am I clear? So 3
Yeah,
4s
yeah.
are answer is 7. Answer is 7 by 2. This is the way you can do that. Okay.
In my class, my sir other method. I may have done that
It is
method.
not required. I have seen many methods. This is a simple method. You can understand. This is easy to answer because they're going to multiply 2 and 2. Their numerators are same. Then after denominators are same, then you add numerators. These problems, they people might say 3 by 2 in plus 2 is there. 2 by 1 because 2 is there here, which is 2. They are multiplied 2 by 2. Now both are same. This is 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Now denominators are same. Directly you add, denominator is same, you can take directly, then add 3 plus 4, it is 7, 7 by 2. This is one more method. Okay. They will find LCM, which is to get LCM, they has to multiply this. So this is a universal method. Anywhere it's applicable. Like this, you prepare for any problem. You can easily understand. So keep on doing, you no need to make it like boxes. You can imagination, you can do it out. So let us, I'll try to take one more
Okay.
problem to your understanding. This is 13 plus something else. It's 2 by 3 is there. This is one more problem. So basically you need to understand 13
13.
nothing. 13 plus 2 by 3. Okay. This
Okay.
is 13 by 1, 2 by 3. You can take directly. 1 3 LCM is how much? 3 only, no? Plus is there.
3
So
only.
13 by 1 into 3. So 3 3 cancel. So 13 by 1 into 3. 13 3 is 39. 2 by 3 into 3. 3 3 cancel.
Mm.
Answer is 2. So 39 plus 2, 41 by 3. So you are getting how to get 39. You can take regular thing. 31 by 1 into 3. So 13 3 is 39. 1 1 is 1. That is I wrote 13 here. So you got out 2 I got. 2 by 3 you multiply 3 LCM. 3 3 cancel. 2 1 is 2. Answer is 2. So 39 plus 2 41 by 3. This is the way you can do it now. So one
Okay.
more thing is there. I wanted to share you last thing. If 2 by and 3 by 2 is there, you should understand 2 by 1 you can write. But some people they are writing 2 is they are writing 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. This is wrong. Because why
It's
I'm telling
wrong.
is 2 is equal to 2 by 1 is okay. No change. But 2 is equal to you write 1 by 2. This makes lot of difference. 2 is a 2 rupees. 1 by 2 means half rupee, 50 paisa. Both are different. Here 2 is 2, 2 by 1 also 2 only, both
Yeah.
are same. That's what it is valid. It is invalid. Okay. That is what you need to
Yes.
understand when
Okay.
you're doing the problem. So today we completed the basics of the mathematics of fractions for a different kind of models.